TV. Unbelievable.
But we are not done yet. There's plenty of news on different topics that we will like to get to you. Excuse me. Let's begin with the...
And really, you know, your spouse isn't going to want to do that at that moment.
Nicer.
Yeah, bit of sunshine.
You all right?
Oh, sorry, it's gone again. Well, it's time for it to go. Can we lose this? That definitely wasn't me. It's just arrived.
So I'm going to add a little pressure now, sir. It's all right. It's perfectly natural.
And discussion? Mayor, would you like to speak regarding this?
Mother was very clever with us. You know, she'd give us enough rope, you know? Oh, excuse me.
And the gas now back on, and most of those roads, excuse me, most...
Jesus Christ, what was that?
I think you had a bad dream.
Okay, sure they work all day. Out in the...
You dirty, horrible bastard.
No farting.
And straight, I'm just going to push you back, all right? Ready?
Do is to bring yourself
Good, you're fucked.
Rock up. Okay, let's...